The second day began with a panel discussion on the media portrayal of women.
I'm okay if I reach a few people, but I don't dilute my message.
Beauty and youth are the only things that are really wanted from you. The moment you want to contribute in some other way, they say, no, thank you.
You will never get respect from others if you don't respect yourself.
If you portray a beautiful woman, you also portray what she's doing otherwise. Her charity, make her look beautiful from the outside, but show what her substance is really as well.
If you are spiritual, if you are connected, if you are centered and in touch with yourself, then you are aware. Then you have no fear. You will stand up and exactly said, forget women's issues. As a human being, stand up for what you believe in. You will be able to stand up to bosses who want to put you down.
We have to stop calling the issues female issues. Forget that word. It's not female issues. They are truly human issues.
Choice between the acceptance of powerlessness or the confidence that you bring with you if you know what your convictions are. If we choose the confidence of our convictions, that is the beginning of leadership.
You have to have the courage to speak out whenever issues that you don't agree with are being discussed and agreed with as if they are the norm.
What we need is men and women really ruling together.
By taking more responsibility, that's what makes women stronger. What is the role of hero? You all, the women, are hero. So the role of hero is to bring a meaningful life and happiness.
Our duty is to care for and protect everything around us.
The decisions we make today for the future are determined by our perceptions of the present.
It's the we and the harmony of working together which has actually created something like this. And you go back to history and you see many battles which have been won. You look at Gandhiji and Satyagraha, and it happened because of, people felt it along with him.
I was petrified, kept thinking I could never live without you by my side. But then I spent so many nights thinking how you did me wrong. But I grew strong, I knew how to get along. And so you're back from outer space. I just walked in to find you here with that sad look upon your face. I should have learned to lock the key, I should have made you change the key. If I'd known for 1 second you'd be back to bother me. Oh, go man, go.
You people must stop worrying about your being equal to men. Why are you talking about being equal to men when you are superior to men?
With women, if they will be the leaders of the countries, we can achieve to this peace.
Question really as a leader becomes, what can I do for you?
Integrity, courage must become the hallmark of any leader.
But the bottom line in leadership is to guarantee human dignity.
May we take the responsibility of practicing ethical leadership ourselves.
Either you're a person of integrity or you're not.
Property obtained by a woman through inheritance, through purchase, partition, seizure and finding is her lawmaker, the lawgiver for the Indian civilization.
We as women nurture others.
Her ability to feel for others.
We should always keep our individuality, but at the same time, we should all come together as one.
I truly believe that the quality of our life does not depend on the amount of conflict, but how we actually handle that conflict.
The conference honored the contribution of women in different arenas of life. one of them being Miss Chitra Roy, a renowned singer who conducted an orchestra of 1,200 sitarists in India. Special emphasis was given to promote women empowerment projects. The conference proceeds were dedicated to fulfilling Anushri's dream of becoming a doctor who comes from an economically weaker background. The different roles of women were honored through the Vishalakshi Awards instituted in the memory of the Mother of His Holiness Sri Sri Ravi Shankar. At the valedictory session, women from different countries were invited to come on stage and light a lamp to symbolize a new beginning and a new pledge.
Dynamic, wonderful.
Challenging to everybody.